How to make money online. Method 1. Completing tasks online. 1. Take surveys. You can earn $50 to $100 in line with month in coins and merchandise through taking online surveys. Find survey websites through looking for paid survey websites online. Sign up for numerous survey websites to boom your probabilities of being decided on for better paying surveys. Register with an email address, and take a look at your email regularly so that you can reply quick to survey offers. Most surveys pay from $1 to $3, and the surveys commonly absorb to 45 minutes to complete. You may additionally receive a commission in present cards, unfastened merchandise, or through being entered in a sweepstakes. Never pay to take part in surveys. Look for a privateness coverage displayed prominently at the webweb page so that you realize that they're now no longer promoting your private information. 2. Test websites. Remote usability trying out method, getting paid to navigate an internet site for the primary time and giving remarks to the internet site owner. Most assessments take about 15 minutes, and you could receive a commission up to $10 for every check. A check includes appearing a state of affairs at the client's internet site and recording yourself doing it. For example, you is probably requested to undergo the system of choosing and buying an object on a retailer's internet site. You want a PC with a microphone, an up-to-date net browser, and an excessive pace net connection. Sites that pay you to check websites encompass user testing, what users do, user lytics, user feel. 3. Tutor college students. Many households pick the power of the usage of an internet tutor. Depending on your heritage, you can be honestly assisting a baby with homework or presenting university stage support. You want to have your very own PC and excessive pace net. Experience required differs amongst agencies. Some require sturdy experience, whilst others require a particular academic heritage. However, maximum agencies do require a university degree. Some agencies assign college students to you, whilst others submit your profile on their webweb page and permit clients choose you. You could make everywhere from $9 to $30 in line with hour, primarily based totally in your academic heritage and the concern you teach. Sites that lease elementary stage tutors encompass tutor.com, homeworkhelp.com, aim4a, and brainfuse. Kaplan hires SAT and ACT tutors. Method 2. Creating a niche website. 1. Understand how a niche internet site works. An area of interest internet site makes a speciality of very targeted, particular information. The content material should be particular, beneficial, and exciting on your goal audience. Successful area of interest websites get everywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 site visitors in line with month. You construct content material on a selected keyword, and you are making passive profits with Google AdSense or through associate links. 2. Find a worthwhile area of interest. Starting together along with your interests, write down as many area of interest thoughts as you could. Think approximately subjects humans would possibly seek online. Ideas encompass passions like browsing or frame constructing, fears like spiders or talking in the front of crowds, and problems like getting out of debt. Do keyword studies to look at others are interested by the topic. Find out if a website call is to be had that suits the keyword 100%. Use a keyword studies device to carry out keyword studies. 3. Set up the site. Choose a internet site constructing platform, along with WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. Next, select a website call and NetWeb website hosting to your webweb page. The area call is your net address. WebWeb website hosting is a provider that connects your webweb page to the net. Once you've got your area call and NetWeb website hosting, visit the Manipulate panel of your web website hosting account and deployation your internet site platform. Design your internet site through deciding on and putting in a theme. Popular NetWeb website hosting agencies encompass Bluehost and WP Engine. 4. Create content material. Create content material that humans will locate precious and to help you rank better with inside the seek engines. Keyword studies allow you to discover what subjects humans are looking for. Write content material on those subjects to enhance your rank with inside the seek engines. You can't monetize with none site visitors. Use a device like Market Samurai to do keyword studies. Put out commercials to boom site visitors on your webweb page. Create a advertising marketing campaign. The usage of social media retailers along with Facebook or Twitter. 5. Monetize your site. Choose from numerous special techniques to monetize your internet site. You will have commercials in your internet site and receives a commission while site visitors click on them. Also, you could sell merchandise, both your very own or a person else's, and receives a commission while humans purchase. With Google AdSense, you put in a few code in your web page that permits commercials to seem on it. You receives a commission while site visitors click on at the commercials. You also can promote marketing and marketing area in your internet site. Affiliate advertising method, which you sell merchandise to your area of interest. A hyperlink or banner marketing and marketing the product is displayed in your web page. If site visitors click on it and make a purchase, you acquire a commission.